Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a BMW 5 Series. First, it's crucial to understand your car's behavior and find a large, empty space, like a track or a very large parking lot, to practice safely. Always make sure your BMW 5 Series is in excellent working order, especially the tires, brakes, and suspension, before attempting any drifting maneuvers. Safety is always the #1 priority when learning new driving techniques. To initiate a drift, you have a couple of primary methods. The handbrake entry involves a quick pull of the handbrake while turning into a corner, then releasing it and applying throttle. Alternatively, the power-over technique uses a sharp turn and aggressive throttle application to break traction. Remember to be smooth with your inputs. Abrupt movements can make the car unpredictable. Practice these entries at a low speed first. Once the car begins to slide, the key is to sustain and control it. Immediately countersteer in the direction of the slide to prevent spinning out. Your throttle pedal becomes your primary tool for adjusting the drift angle. More throttle increases the angle, less reduces it. Keep your eyes focused on where you want the car to go, not just directly in front of you. This helps your hands and feet react instinctively to maintain the slide. To exit a drift smoothly, gradually ease off the throttle while simultaneously unwinding the countersteer. The car will naturally straighten out as traction is regained. Drifting takes a lot of practice, so be patient and consistent with your efforts in a safe, controlled environment. Remember, mastering these skills is about repetition and fine-tuning your inputs. And speaking of smart moves, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum in the description for a great deal, along with other offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.